Okay, so we have Sarah here in the chair. We're going to be going over a traditional facial. So we're just starting with cleansing. Do you have anything on your skin now?
No.
I'm using Obagi's foaming gel cleanser. And of course, there's a variety of cleansers in your back bar that you can choose from, but this one's really effective at getting the face very clean, nice canvas for starting the treatment. And of course, we're just removing with warm water. I also like to get my steamer warmed up in the beginning of treatment as well, because we will be steaming and it does take a couple minutes, 3 to 5 minutes to warm up. This is just a warm towel. Of course, we leave her mouth and nose out so she can breathe. Please keep breathing.
So after this treatment, will I be able to go back to just wearing makeup right after this, or should I wait?
Absolutely. With a traditional facial, makeup afterwards, totally fine. I always just like to remind clients, you know, especially since we just did a kind of an intense deep cleaning of the skin, to make sure makeup brushes are clean. Change your pillowcases this evening if you can remember. But anytime you touch your hands to your face, make sure everything you touch to your face is clean. Now that she's completely cleansed, we're gonna let her sit under the steamer for a solid 5 to 10 minutes.
So what's the difference between a Jubilee Express facial and a Jubilee facial?
Timing wise, the Express facial is 30 minutes. A facial is 50 minutes to 1 hour. The facial is just more in-depth, so just a mini version of this longer facial, but this will include steam and a relaxing facial massage, as well as extractions and a mask. I always like to just have fresh, clean water. Toner, of course, your choice of toner. There's cleansing water, cleanser. So really, if I need anything, depending on her skin type or as we're going through treatment, I can just roll a little bit and grab what I need. I always encourage clients, if you can tell that they do at-home extractions, to educate them to wrap their hands, only extract after a long hot shower, but preferably to come into us to have it done. Extractions is just expressing out of the skin this underlying congestion, oil, debris that gets trapped in our pores.
How often do you recommend someone come in and do this?
For facials, it really depends. It depends on the client's current skin condition, their ultimate skincare goals. But really, I mean, it would be ideally beneficial to get a facial done every 4 weeks.
What toner are you using right now?
This is Obagi's toner. I really like this one just because it is very gentle and balancing. We have a product that we recently got from Acute Derm, the papaya enzyme toner, and that one I think is my new favorite. So at this point, after extractions, I'm going to use a high frequency wand on Sarah. The high frequency wand increases circulation, so it really helps to wake up the face, but it also helps to tame bacteria in the skin. Do you feel that?
Yeah, I feel a little zap, but it doesn't necessarily hurt or anything.
Not painful by any means, just
Yeah.
a strange sensation. So I am grabbing a Purifying Mask by Skin Medica. This one's really nice, it's gentle, but still soothing. It has some tea tree oil, eucalyptus, rosemary, so it smells good and it feels good.
Now after this treatment, would I be able to go get Botox or anything like that?
Absolutely. With a traditional facial, you're pretty much open to any of the treatments, other services that we offer in office.
This is included in what the members get each month for free?
It is, yes.
Oh, awesome.
So as members, you get your choice of traditional facial, microdermabrasion, dermaplane, or mild chemical peel, which are all wonderful. So just using whatever facial massage movements you're comfortable with, and that would be relaxing to the client. But after about 5 or 10 minutes, that's when we want to remove whatever glide that you were using. I'm going to remove with Obagi's toner. I love SkinMedica's HA5. It's a hyaluronic acid hydrator, so it's great for all skin types. It feels a little heavy initially, but the face really just soaks it in. And we're going to, final step, leave her with some sun protection. I'm using Essential Defense by SkinMedica. It is tinted, which is nice to leave her with a little bit of coverage as she's rolling around without any makeup on today. Alrighty, my dear, you are all set.
Awesome.